This could be the top of this move. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. I am so sorry for yesterday's late delivery of the update. It just wouldn't process. I guess there was too many people home not working. But in the meantime, the markets may have finally reached the peak of this particular move. It doesn't mean we're going to go straight down, but it looks like we finally had a continuation of the blowout from yesterday into today. We got over 2,700 S&P. In fact, right now at 12:30 Eastern time, they're trading at 2702. But the markets are starting to look a little bit heavy here. You're starting to see some breakdown here in the system. The Dow has been heavy all day and been much weaker by a wide margin of the S&P. The NASDAQ very strong, but starting to come in a little bit along with the Russell. But it looks like some sellers are starting to come in. We're looking for some profit taking. Now we've still got big news coming out with Amazon after the close. But when we look at the whole picture, you had a huge move up in Apple today, a giant move up in Facebook today. This looks like the blow off. The fear of missing out might have finally pushed it over the top today. Again, we're taking a small short position here, although net we're going to be long, but for a day trade or a trade, we're taking a net short position here just to see if indeed this is it. Again, our algorithms haven't changed. Nothing has changed overall, but looking at the chart, we may have reached a little bit of a top here. Very tricky. Only if you're a professional should you be getting involved in this right here. But you should be observing in case it does show and prove to be the blow off top. In the meantime, gold spiked up and is still higher on the day, but gold's starting to sell a little bit. The VIX is starting to rally a little bit, still down on the day, but coming down. All of a sudden, beans and grains have sold off. So what does that tell me? It tells me there may be some bad news coming out with the China trade talks right now that are going on right now. Meats tried to rally, they're coming down and around unchanged, except for hogs are continuing to get slaughtered. Again, a lot of things are changing here just in the short term. So I think you want to watch closely the overall market to see what's going on here. We right now will be looking for an opportunity to sell the equities at some point here for a trade. Again, nothing has changed, but again, if you're investing and day trading, you sometimes you can be on opposite sides for a short period of time, knowing that you have a stop to get out if it goes against you. With tonight's Amazon earnings and with tomorrow's jobs, we could get really wild action, and certainly you could see a big move one way or the other. I think we texted out this morning and we could see a big move one way or the other, and it could be up, and it was. So now let's see what happens from here. And in the meantime, bonds were up huge. They're still up big, but they're coming back a little bit. Again, a lot of things are fishy. The markets don't smell right here. There's a little bit of fishiness going on, a little bit more of the manipulation from the Fed. No, there's something doesn't look right when you look at the overall picture of the market. Again, it doesn't mean you act on it. You need a reason to act. But again, bonds are much higher, but have come well off their highs now. Oil is higher, but well off its highs after being low overnight. So again, there's a lot of things that are generating in the markets right here that would indicate we could be getting to see a turnaround, at least for a very short period of time. We're not going to be aggressive here yet. We're not going to do anything big, but I want you to understand this is how I see the market as of 12:30 Eastern time, as how we look. I'm going to be looking to be just, again, as a trade. Okay, I've rolled up my long calls. Okay, so as a trade, I'm going to take a short position in the futures for myself, just to see if this is indeed going to be the top. But again, I wouldn't get too aggressive here. And if you do take a trade, make sure you have a stop, because certainly we could hold 2,700 or just below it and spike up and take out highs. So again, if you're a professional, it's okay to try to trade. If you're just an investor, sit back and watch the action and then look for your opportunities. That's really what we're looking for today. Bitcoin, the cryptocurrencies, flat, dullish, nothing going on. So again, there is some action. There is some volume in the market today. So let's see how it plays out. To me, this looks like the final blow off to the upside. But again, I'm not going to make a big play here. I'm going to maintain my long positions and take a short position in the futures to see what it looks like. That'll do it for today's Bubba's Daily Update. We will see you back here on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. In the meantime, we're going into, for the daily updates, they will need to be paid for. You have your choice to get texts a video or both, and I text 2 or 3 times a day, and obviously do 1 video a day. So if you want to get both for, I believe we're having a special for $5.49. I think you go to bubbatrading.com/video SMS. If you want just the text, you can go to bubbatrading.com/SMS. And if you want just the video, you can go to bubbatrading.com/video. In the meantime, we're going to start, this will start being only open to members on Monday. But Bubba's Bottom Line, as always, will be free. Let's see how the market works out, but something does look awfully funny. We'll see you back here over the weekend with Bubba's Bottom Line. And those of you who are getting text, you'll be texted later today and tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much. We'll see you later.